Federal help is on the way for one local hospital as Michigan continues to see a surge in cases and hospitalizations, and local facilities need more help.
At the request of Governor Gretchen Whitmer, a 22-person medical team is coming to Covenant in Saginaw to support those treating COVID patients.
The team includes registered nurses, doctors, and respiratory therapists, and that team is expected to start this Sunday.
A local physician tells TV5's James Felton how this support will help patients and hospitals.
Well, quite frankly, it's worse than it's ever been. I, as an emergency physician, am seeing more cases of positive coronavirus than ever before.
PINO COLONE is an emergency physician with the Henry Ford Health System. He's also the president of the Michigan State Medical Society. COLONE tells us the weight of COVID patients is putting a heavy burden on hospitals across the state.
The hospital systems are overwhelmed, and the emergency departments are as well, because we don't have rooms in hospitals to which to send sick patients with COVID or otherwise.
Help is on the way. As we've reported, federal medical teams have been dispatched to select hospitals in Michigan, including Covenant Healthcare, to bolster the number of staff treating COVID patients. On Tuesday, the state Senate took action, unanimously passing a bill that would allow out-of-state healthcare workers to practice in Michigan during epidemic-related staffing shortages, as long as their respective state license is in good standing. But Cologne says those measures wouldn't be necessary if more people would just roll up their sleeves.
Honestly, it's a little frustrating that more people aren't getting vaccinated. That is still the ultimate answer. Vaccines, vaccines, vaccines. And that regardless of your political bent, this is a health issue. It's not a political issue.
Cologne tells us there is some frustration and resentment amongst healthcare workers towards unvaccinated COVID-19 patients. Despite that, Cologne says every effort will be made to give them the care they need.
Our job is to take care of people. Our job is to take care of them like when they come to us, and we take advantage of that time to better educate them and help them get back on the road to recovery.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
And we did reach out to Covenant Healthcare. A spokesperson had no comment at this time, but also said there would be more to share in the next few days. According to the state's patient census, Covenant Healthcare is at 98% bed capacity, with 121 COVID patients, more than 20 of which are in the ICU.